If you don't master this one habit every morning, your day is doomed to suck. But what if you use this hack to become more productive every day? Most people wake up and immediately let their phone drag them into a flood of chaos, notifications, endless scrolling, stress before breakfast. It's a recipe for distraction and burnout. But you can't be like most people if you do this. The 2-minute power pause. The moment you wake up, do not reach for your phone. Instead, sit up, close your eyes, and take 5 deep, slow breaths. Breathe in calm, breathe out the noise and tension. Now, in your mind, say it loud. I own today. I control my mood. Nothing steals my focus. This simple act, it's your mental reset button. It shuts down the chaos before it even starts. 2 minutes of silence and control. No distractions. No excuses, just you setting the tone for your entire day. Because the first thought you have in the morning, that's the one that decides if your day is a win or a loss. Subscribe.